I'm Jess from Decoist, and today I will be showing you how to make these DIY fake copper planters. Let's get started. For this project, you will need some silicone caulking, a dish of water, a Sharpie marker. I've chosen some trim-clad hammered copper spray paint, and a bucket. You've probably seen these fake copper planters in the store going for about $25 to $50. Today I'm going to show you how to make this for $10. The first step is to take the silicone caulking and place it over the bucket, just like this. You want to make sure you get lots on there, at least a ½ inch thick. Find doing a squiggly pattern really helps get the coverage quickly. I'll start by doing half, and we're going to rub that in with our hands, just like this. Once the bucket is covered, dip your fingers in the dish of water and smooth out the silicone caulking. This is just like working with clay. Can you see the difference there, how smooth that is? Continue doing this until you've gone all the way around the surface. Now you don't want to use too much water, or it might get too slippery to work with. We also have to wait for this to dry, so the more water you put on, the longer it's going to take to dry. And I'm just going to smooth that out one more time all the way around. Awesome. And now I'm just going to work my way around the top of the bucket and get all of that excess caulking off. And smooth that out with your finger. So I've let this dry for about an hour just to stiffen up a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is use my Sharpie marker, and I'm going to dip the end of it into the water. And I'm just going to take that bottom of the marker and create a small circle. Now you want the circles to be close together, and you don't want them to be exactly linear. I've let this dry completely, and I'm loving the texture that came out of this piece. Now it's time for some spray paint. I am in love with this final product. This project was so simple and easy to do. Anyone could do this from home. I hope you enjoyed. For watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave us a comment below to let us know which DIY you'd like to see next.